Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today, Monday, April 26, 2021. Today, I am live in Ms. Avenia's pre-kindergarten classroom, and I have four pledgers, and their names are Martin, Oscar, okay, Juan, y Alexa, okay? And now we're going to go ahead, we're going to stand, place our hand on our heart, and we're going to face the U.S. flag as we say our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee.
Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Very good. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you so much, Wildcats. You may be seated. All right, it is Monday, so we're going to go ahead and do our Monday meditation. Let's go ahead and get settled. If your feet can touch the ground, let them touch the ground. Get comfortable in your seat. Place your hands on your thighs, on the top of your legs. If you would like, you can close your eyes. And let's go ahead and take in a deep breath through our nose. And let it go through your mouth quietly. Good job. Let's go ahead and take in another deep breath for a count of 4. Let's go ahead and bring that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. All right, and so for our last deep breath, I want you to concentrate and think about all the great things that you are going to accomplish, that you are going to do, that you're going to check off your list on this marvelous Monday. So go in, get that thought, capture it, put it in your brain, and take in a deep breath. And let it go. Good job for the Monday meditation. All right, every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected. You have that right on the bus, at home, and during your school day. So find a trusted adult, your coach, your nurse, your counselor, your teacher, your principal, your parent, and let them know if someone has made you feel unloved, unsafe, or disrespected. Students, go ahead and repeat after me our No Place for Hate pledge. I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. I will help others to feel safe and happy at school. And most importantly, students, please repeat after me. I will be part of making my school no place for hate. All right, we do not have any birthdays in the house, so happy unbirthday to you, you, and you. I hope you have a very unhappy birthday. We do have a couple of announcements. We are still in National Child Abuse Prevention Month. Today is National Pretzel Day, so if you get a chance to eat a pretzel, that's a really great thing. You see them a lot of times at baseball games, or sometimes you'll see them in outdoor fairs, but pretzels are very thick, and a lot of times we eat them with mustard. So they're really big and doughy, and they have a lot of salt, and sometimes you can get them like at movie theaters. So if you've never had a pretzel, today would be a great day to learn something about pretzels. All right, we are celebrating our Math Awareness Month, and math is dreamy. Wear pajamas. So if you see some friends out and they're wearing pajamas, that's because they're participating. Today also, Do the Math Challenge begins. So this is a district competition for grades 3rd through 5th grade. Please see the email that Ms. Lamotha sent out. Also, today begins our attendance incentive. So students, if you are face-to-face, we want you here every single day. We love seeing your happy faces and smiles. So please make sure you do that. Tomorrow is seeing double. So you're gonna dress like a twin. So you're gonna find a friend and you're gonna dress like them. Now, if you do not have anyone to dress like, tomorrow Mrs. Marsh will be in her black Woodland Acres shirt that we have for this year. So if you have a black Woodland Acres shirt with the green astronaut on it, then you and Mrs. Marsh will be twins. All right, we ask that you continue to practice your safety protocols by wearing a mask and washing your hands frequently, that you practice our 6 feet rule and make sure you maintain your distance, and that if you do not feel well, that you go ahead and let your teacher know. All right. The Cares Education theme for this month is self-discipline. Today, think of how self-discipline can make your Monday and your week better. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, well, that's the choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a marvelous, magnificent Monday.